Hello guys! Okay, naghahanap ba kayo ng condo bed space here in Quezon City? Yes! Meron po akong available na condo bed space sharing here in Kamuning Station. So meron ako i-share sa inyong video kung naghahanap kayo ng place dito sa my GMA Kamuning Station. My unit is available for you. Yes! So, available po ang aking condo bed space here in Victoria Sports. So, bakit I recommend my place? Hindi dahil sa akin ito. At because, number 1, bago. Number 2, malinis. And number 3, accessible sa lahat. Like restaurant, bus stop, MRT station, so and so forth. So, guys, please watch this video para makita nyo po ang aking place na fitted para sa inyo. At this is a quiet place and ambience. So makikita nyo ang aking place. Yeah. So andito po tayo ngayon sa Kamuning EDSA. Along EDSA lang to. So guys. Oops. So guys, sobrang ganda. So, sobrang affordable at worth it ang ibabayad natin sa place na to. Basta kung working ka or nagpa-process ka ng mga papers mo at of course, may budget tayo. So, ikaw ang aming hinahanap, guys. So, watch this video and enjoy. And welcome to my humble condo bed space unit. And this is my kitchen. fan installed every corner of my unit. We have a floor tiles na sadya namang napakasarap sa paa. Also have flat screen TV and centralized aircon unit. We have customized curtain bed na sadyang ginawa para magkaroon tayo ng privacy. And this is your bed space. Upon moving in, may nakaredy ng foam, pillow, curtain bed, na sadya namang lilipat ka na lang. And this is our customized 2-in-1 locker. And each tenant have one locker unit. And this place is very quiet, clean, relaxing place, and 24/7 security. And this is our customized stairs and locker cabinet. And this unit is a very high ceiling that circulate fresh air. We also have coffee table that can you relax, study, and sightseeing.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Unit that can you relax, deep sleep, and peaceful, safe living. Ayan, hopefully, nag-enjoy kayo sa aking video. And for booking and reservation, just comment this video below. Thank you! Guys! So, speechless. Wala lang akong masabi. Oh, so, okay na tayo? So, guys, oo guys. So, naipakita ko na ang aking condo bed space o condo sharing here in GMA Kamuning. So guys, sa mga naghahanap ng mga places dyan, so ito ang fitted para sa'yo. Bakit ko nasabi guys? Bakit? First, malinis. Okay, check. Very accessible location. Check. At ang may-ari, sobrang gwapo. Joke. And anyway guys, so guys, sa mga naghahanap, just comment below at PM me sa mga barkada nyo, sa mga nagwo-work dito sa Metro Manila. Open po ang aking unit. So, ayan ang mga contact number ko. So, makokontak nyo po kami diyan sa numerong yan. So, maraming salamat guys at hopefully, nag-enjoy kayo sa aking place. And so once again, this is Arky BG. And don't forget to watch my YouTube video and comment below and click the bell button and subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, maraming salamat po and God bless.